This is how to delete duplicate contacts on your iPhone. You need to open your Contacts app. There's a couple ways to get there. You can find the app on your home screen. There's mine right there. You can also tap on the phone and then tap on Contacts down below. You can also tap on the Spotlight search here and start typing in contacts and it'll show up here. Tap it to open it. At the very top, if there are duplicates, you'll see this message, one duplicate found. And it describes it as merging duplicate cards for a contact combines the cards, keeping all unique information in a single card for that contact. Let's tap on View Duplicates. It's me. There's two of me. What I did was I created two contacts with the same last name. I tried this additionally by creating two contacts with the same phone number that did not show up as duplicate. I tried with the same email address that did not show up as duplicate. The duplicate appears to be based on the first and last name combination being the same. In order to merge these contacts, just tap on Merge right here, tap on Merge again, and now that error message is gone and those contacts have been merged into my single contact card. You can also choose to find the duplicate contact and just delete it if you want to. But merging is usually the easiest and safest option. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out the video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash bin on your iPhone. I know it sounds strange, but it's important that you do this once in a while. It's super easy. I walk you step by step how to do it in this video. I'll see you there.